What's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Go ahead and follow that prompter. If you're new, like, subscribe. Make sure that notification bell is checked to all. If you've been rolling with me for a while, just hit like. Now, I'm going to talk about, let me show you something right now, right? Take a look at that. At the time of filming this is where crypto is. You could see BONK down 12%. You could see XRP is holding cool. But I want you to center on BONK, Doge, and Shiba Inu, right? We're going to get back to those in a sec. This one is going to be a little different. I'm going to timestamp this one. I'm going to talk about NVDA at the end of this video because their earnings are tonight. So this is going to be crypto heavy. I'm going to spend a minute on NVIDIA, right? So for those of you that haven't, I'm telling you right now, people are saying, when I'm waiting till Black Friday. Well, the Black Friday sale is starting right now. It started last week. It's already going on. You're missing money if you're waiting on Black Friday. The Black Friday sale for Stock Up U is going on right now. Coupon code LEARN, LEARN. Let's get right into the charts. Let's see what's going on with crypto, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm buying and why I'm buying and how I'm doing my portfolio. Now, I've been sharing my portfolio with you guys, one of my portfolios, but I added some money, so it's unfair now. So I'm not going to deal with that. For those that are new, I'm telling you, I just added another 30K to my crypto portfolio, dry powder, that I just put in and are ready for dips like this. If you remember my Sunday video, I'm just preparing for dips like this and deeper dips to come because the future of crypto is extremely bullish, even with this pullback. And I'm telling you right now at the beginning of this video, BONK is, for me, is in a buy range. Doge is in a buy range and SHIB is on its way. Now, do I dump all of my money in it right now? Nope. Am I afraid that it's going to go down even lower? Yes, it can go down even lower. It could go down another 12%. Does that bother me? No. It just means that I'm going to buy more shares. I believe that with Bitcoin moving towards 95, let's just go right into the charts and we'll get back to this because I want you guys to share this page because you know what's going to happen. All your friends and neighbors are going to come at the end at when Bitcoin is 100K, and then they're going to be asking, is it too late? Like they're already asking me now. And I'm telling you right now at the time of seeing this, though we've been covering it since 2021 and heavy at the beginning of this year, it is not too late, okay? So the answer is no. But the question is, when will you get in? Let's look at this. We're going to keep it moving. Right now, a sea of red in the hour, and in the day, still a sea of red. But for the week, we are mostly green. So these are buy days. All right. These are buy days for me. OK, I don't know about you. Leave me a comment. So let's take a look. We can see that Bitcoin right now is flat for the last 24 hours, just absolutely flat. But over the last 7 days with this cool off, it is still up. Bitcoin is still up. As we see here, 93, but now you're going to see a disparity in price depending on what app you're on, right? And we could see that XRP for the week is still up strong, right? And so let's just keep it moving. I want to show you guys something, all right? I need to clean this up. Sorry, I don't have this clean for you guys. Let's go for the day. All right, so let's just look right at it. Let's just look right at this, okay? Days range. 94.9, right? Look at that. 94.89.99. We almost hit 95. So Bitcoin is going north while the memes are going south. For me, I'm excited about that. One of two of you guys may be concerned about it. I'm excited about it, knowing where we are in the cycle for those that have taken the class that are making a lot of money. Now, I'm excited about what's happening because it provides easy opportunities for me. I don't know about you. So now I want to play you guys. I got to put this in here. I got the NBA star, Scottie Pippen, shook his hand once. had the craziest dream, good people. And I just want you to play this for you, and I want you to listen to this.
You mentioned you met Satoshi in Seattle in 1993.
Yes.
He also came to you in a dream. You have a nice relationship with Satoshi.
I feel like I do.
Yeah.
I feel like I have a story to tell. Definitely have an opportunity to meet him back in 1993.
Joining me now, NBA legend Scottie Pippen. Scottie, I got to tell you, Michael Saylor gave you that look like, okay, my man, we want to hear this story, so I'm glad you came on the show to share it with us.
He definitely gave me a beautiful look after I said that. But yes, I was actually telling him that I met him.
You guys saw that look he gave him. Michael Saylor was like, okay, dream. But watch this, good people. Watch this.
1993, but more so currently.
Dreams. You got the inside scoop, man. So you did get a lot of props, right? Because you posted on X that Satoshi visited you in a dream, said Bitcoin would be 84,650 November 5th. And sure enough, it hit that target. Did you buy more at that time right after the dream?
No, I didn't buy any more, but
you guys see that? It literally hit it on the day that he had the dream. That is crazy. That's absolutely crazy. So you could see that he posted it on September 3rd, that it would come months later, right? And then it hit the exact same, what he had in the dream. That's just freaky to me. I just had to share that, guys, with you guys. But listen, it doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter. There's so much bullish stuff happening with Bitcoin, and at some point you have to get in, for those of you that are not in. And I've been saying, just start dollar cost averaging in small amounts and save some dry powders for pullback days, all right? Everybody should have some Bitcoin. Everybody should have some altcoins. And for those of you that know what you're doing and how to do it, you could have some meme coins and make money. Let's listen further.
As ETF options going live, giving investors a new way to hedge their exposure. Kenzie Segalis is here, joins us with more this morning. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Andrew.
So what's going on?
Is what U.S. crypto investors have been waiting for. On Tuesday, the Nasdaq listed options on BlackRock's $44 billion spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, day one of trading showed that more than 80% of options volume were call orders to buy Bitcoin, meaning that investors are betting that the token is poised for even more gains. And this is just the first of the U.S.-based asset issuers to offer options. The other 10 providers will soon follow suit, with several more slated to list on the New York Stock Exchange later today. Now, this is really a significant moment for Bitcoin adoption, because rather than just buying and holding the asset, this next stage is all about creating a new margin framework for Bitcoin so that you can amplify your returns. Being able to hedge positions and make leveraged bets is a big draw both to retail and to institutions. And even though we've seen a lot of trading volume on the CME derivatives exchange, getting options tied to these spot crypto products on the Nasdaq and NYSE is a big unlock for traders, because ultimately, Andrew, a more robust onshore derivatives market is how you attract fresh investment, which is a tailwind for the price of Bitcoin.
So, guys, you heard that. I mean, it is insane that you'll be able to do options on Bitcoin now. And you see that the other 11 ETFs and the other ETFs that are coming are going to get in this game. It's going to push volume up. But you also heard that mostly they're doing call options, which is extremely bullish for Bitcoin and all crypto. Because if it's bullish for Bitcoin, it's bullish for altcoins and meme coins as money shifts, okay? Altcoin season still hasn't started because we still have Bitcoin dominance. While one or two of you that's watching me is still waiting and going, is it too late?
It really boggles the mind what I was just thinking about. You could write calls. You could write calls. You could buy puts to protect your downside. You could sell puts to acquire Bitcoin at a lower price than where it is. You can do spreads. You can do straddles. The volatility is so high, the option premiums must be exorbitant. So you could sell options.
But so the question is, does the volatility come down materially?
And that's what a lot of analysts say will happen.
Yes. And if that happens, but does that then put a cap on it, or does that
Can it happen?
Push
Because
it
that's a
even
tail
higher.
wagging the dog. Because
See what
Bitcoin
I'm
is
saying?
in here. Yeah, but by definition, Bitcoin has been volatile. Do you think options really could lessen the volatility of the underlying asset?
I mean, that's what some analysts are saying, especially as you build out a more robust market infrastructure around this, you bring in more institutional money. And what I will say in terms of like building out what you can do with these spot crypto products, you've got Grayscale updating its prospectus just this week to do a covered call ETF for Bitcoin. So you're seeing that those are the products that these issuers are indexing toward rather than having, spot funds around all of these altcoins.
So now they're saying that this could be good for Bitcoin, actually less volatile for Bitcoin, some of the analysts, okay? I don't know how they got to that. I don't know, but this is crazy that all of these things that are happening with Bitcoin, we got 270 lawmakers that are now in office. We have a pro-Bitcoin president. We have the Senate and the House run by pro-Bitcoin people now. What do you think is going to happen if you continue to wait? Larry, I don't understand it. Well, it's in the class. And shout out to Trading with Ashley. Listen, she teaches how to sell calls and sell puts. That is going to be uploaded in the Stock Up You by Black Friday, okay? And then we're going to also have leverage trading in Stock Up You to teach you how to 10x. I talked to someone who is actually just killing it with crypto just by leverage, right? So that's what's going on. All of that is going to be in the class, good people. So Black Friday sale is going on right now. You could buy now and pay later with Klarma after paying a firm in it. All right, let's keep it going.
So how high, I mean, we saw gold at 2,800 and gold is sort of a slower mover.
Yeah.
And, we were hearing Bitcoin, 150,000 by the end of the year, at least said one manager. So is that what you're seeing? I mean, are you planning on 150,000?
Gosh, it's very hard to make predictions in this world. We just saw options come out on Bitcoin ETFs yesterday. There's lots of volume trading in December at prices that could suggest that it could go much higher in the short term.
So the volume in options is more towards the bullish side,
Absolutely,
right?
yes. So they just launched, and almost all the volume is on the bullish side at strike prices that would cause Bitcoin to go up maybe 100% from here. I think there's a little bit of euphoria right now in the Bitcoin trade. In the short term, assets tend to not just go straight directionally for months on end. But that's why we mix the two, because we have the ability to harvest some of those gains and rebalance it. So that both makes us in an environment where we have a Bitcoin-friendly government, a government that might start actually including Bitcoin on balance sheets, states that are talking about including Bitcoin on balance sheets, as well as most of the projections actually have the deficit getting much higher under a Trump presidency. And so the issue of potential inflation is actually exacerbated, whether it's tariffs or other things on his agenda. It's very possible that, while he could be very good for stocks and Bitcoin and gold, that's why you're seeing these assets rise so quick, so fast.
So now with all of that bullish news, guess what's happening to some of the alts? Here we are right now. It's moving as I'm making this. Now BONK is down 14%. Doge is down 11%. So I am going to be purchasing today some BONK and some Doge. Those two I am going to be purchasing. Now, I'm going to set my buy order to buy a little XRP down like 2% from where it is. So that's all you need to do, good people. For those of you that's taking the class, just set your buy order 2% lower than where it is now, 5% lower than where it is now. Some of you are going to ask, Larry, where should I look on the charts? I'm just telling you, this is still a period, good people, to DCA, dollar cost average. That's what I'm doing. I'm just dollar cost averaging at these points, right? As bullish signals for Bitcoin continue to go up, these are going down, which means that they have a big pop coming as you buy your way down. So I want you to send this to all your friends and family and ask them, why aren't they asking, is it too late now that it's going down, all of these other altcoins and these meme coins, but watch, won't they ask when they're at the top, okay? That's the definition of dumb money. We're not dumb money. We're smart money. Okay. So we can see that Bitcoin is pushing past. As a matter of fact, if NVIDIA's earnings come out and they are positive and it lifts the market tomorrow, then I believe you will see these start to turn around and Bitcoin could be at 96K by tonight even. All right. So let's see how this ages. All right. So we don't know. This is what I'm guesstimating. All right. That's when you guess and estimate. All right. So let's just talk about NVIDIA for a minute. Here's where I'm going to shift to NVIDIA because I know a lot of you people know that I talk about stocks and crypto. Listen, it's all about the black whale. And I'm just going to tell you, look at this. A day ago, the Blackwell chip, that's NVIDIA's chip, has been overheating. It's been an issue. It's been a drag, right? It's been a drag on it. I bought more. So look at this. NVIDIA's delayed Blackwell's AI chips are overheating, okay? Here comes the fear, right? And that may have a negative drag on NVIDIA. I bought some NVIDIA today when it was down 2%. I bought more. I bought some Friday. I bought some yesterday, just like I shared with you guys. And if it moves up or down, I say 5 to 8%. A lot of analysts are saying 8.6%. I say from 5 to 8% up or down. Even if I bought and it runs down 8%, I am good with this. I'm good with losing 8%. Now, I bought it when it was negative 2% today, and then I don't know if it's up or down. But if it goes down even further, I am going to buy more because I'm good at this price, knowing what's to come. And when I say long, good people, when I'm long, that means years. That means 5, 7, 10 years. So I don't care about these little moves. I don't care about these 5 to 8% moves when I've been buying NVIDIA for years. Okay. So you let me know what you guys are doing. Listen, I'm not telling you what to do with this crypto. I just want you guys to be aware and be educated so you can make your own decisions. I'm telling you what Larry is doing. Don't fall for any spam in the comment section because I'm talking about crypto. Never send money or crypto to anyone. I don't DM anyone. I will never send you a friend request in anybody's Discord or on Facebook or on Instagram. I never do. If you're talking to someone, they say to me, they're lying. You're getting scammed. Okay? Don't do it. All right? Here's where all of the scam comes in. But we are here to make money. And I'm telling you guys right now, the coupon code is LEARN. Here it is. You want to learn about crypto? You want to kill it like we're killing it? It's in Stock Up You. It's all in there together. Boom. All right? And more to come. So I want you to look at this in closing and you tell me, for those of you that know that we buy fear and we sell greed, look at that. Okay? Now, am I positive that this is the right time to buy? No. All I know is I've been dollar cost averaging and we have been killing it. Right? If you've been killing it, leave me a fire emoji. If you have been killing it following Stock Up, all right? Following the family. Now, if you have the class and you've been killing it, leave me a coffee cup and a fire emoji. All right? Remember, no excuses. Invest, learn, test, earn. Invest in yourself first, learn the material, test it, and then earn. Okay? Stock Up You, coupon code LEARN, LEARN. It is the Black Friday sale right now. People keep saying, I can't wait till Black Friday to buy the class. It's Black Friday now. The sale is going now. It will never be as low as it is, and the price is going up. I will talk to you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.